So I'm very much a product of that. In fact, if you ask me straight up, do I believe in the entity of a God? That's a good question. I don't believe that there's something over me, hanging over me, a man with a white beard. Certainly, if I had to say that there was any identification of a human, it's a woman for me. I mean, Mother Nature, Imeno Makatsena, Mother my Queen. I mean, I wrote a Yiddish song about this. But I'm more as the Native Americans. I know there's something greater than me. What is that? That is nature. Now, nature can take all kinds of forms. I can look in the mirror and say, I'm not the greatest thing. First of all, look what came before me and what's going to come after me, particularly if we're not honoring this worth, sadly to say. There's something out there. There's a power. There's an energy that, and if you want to put a name to it, whatever, you call it Buddha, Jesus, it's a chakra, it's it's Hashem, it's Adonai. That's fine. I'm happy. I don't know. I say there's something out there that governs all of us, and gives us the will and energy to move forth. So I'm, my wife's she probably said, very tried and true atheist. I'm an atheist in the sense that I don't believe in a traditional God, but I believe there is a power. So I'm agnostic. I don't know what it is. And why do I need to know what it is? I think the journey of life is just trying to follow that path. And I mean, that's what, for me, what is Kabbalah? The simplest way for me, Kabbalah is, instead of going all the esoteric, is every day you want to just get a little closer to the essence of who you are. Some want to say God, but the essence of what makes you special, And I'm not talking about your heart and your kidneys and your DNA. And when I tell my students that, and I said, and so every day you read a new book, you meet a woman, you meet a guy, you eat a new food, you smell something different, you get angry, you get happy, jealous, you travel. All the things that makes what a life is, you go down that path. And maybe, just maybe, you might get closer to the essence. Because you're truly never going to answer the question. Because if you answer the question of why am I here and what's my purpose, then why travel down that path? So Kabbalah for me, the essence of Judaism, is to go down that path and to enjoy the wonders and try to find out more about myself and others. And it's about the journey. It's about the travel. It's about the Derekh. It's never the Enford. I don't want to know the answer, because maybe I'll be disappointed. So the answer is in the search.